Hello Bernardus, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to go Strangers by Nature. I'll be taking flowers to the cemetery of my heart. For all of my lovers in the present and in the dark. Every anniversary I'll pay respect and say I'm sorry, for they never stood a chance as if they could, when no one knows what it's like to be us. I have never seen the sky this color before. It's like I've noticed everything a little bit more now that all the dust has settled and root of my rutals. No one knows what it's like to be us. Strangers by nature. Strangers by nature. Will I ever get there? Oh, I hope that someday I'll learn. To nature what I've done. Alright then, I'm ready. This is the end of today's video. Leave a like on my video in case you like it, and subscribe my channel